Hey YouTube, Gecko Guy 31127 here. Just bought myself a Losi Micro T just to mess around inside the house here. I just picked up an extra spare stock battery, 4.8 volts, 150 milliamp hour. This was purchased off of Amazon.com, and there we are. The color was chosen at random, so looks like they gave me the red one. So that's no problem. Bunch of upgrade parts. Okay. 27 megahertz. It's got the charger. And 3 different color schemes. Alright, so there's the tiny car. Let's get this out. Alright, so there we are. 2 body pins. 1. There we go. Alright, so everything is in there. I believe you have to unscrew this to get your battery out. So, let's see. Feels pretty heavy. It's probably got the batteries in here and the charger. Whoa! You get a little spoiler. Manual. Batteries. And transmitter batteries. And here's the charger. You know what? I have one of these. Why aren't I using it? Alright. Now, this has to be the transmitter. Okay. And, oops, I just bumped my tripod. Now this is the 27 megahertz transmitter. Takes up 8 AA's to power it. And you get your telescoping antenna. Alright, so let me get a screwdriver here and I'll show you the stock battery. So I believe every time you want to change out a battery or something, you gotta unscrew this. In most videos I'm like, what battery does it use? And there it is. Same as this, the other one in the little baggie you saw. So this is an RTR, so let's get some batteries and get it running. So comment, like, and subscribe.